C'est la vie. Living a life free, c'est la vie. Being in love, glee, c'est la vie. In the desert, in the sky, in the sun and the sea, earth, wind, fire and water are living in harmony. A flower is nourishing a honeybee, and a cold wind is weeping nude an oak tree. One dreaming nicely under a marquee, one creeping under a shed with the flea. One perfumed in bed like a potpourri, one plunged in a bad smell alike pee. Some die of the hateful Fahrenheit degree, some live to remember the painful decree. Some get swallowed lost in the mouth of tsunami, some get condemned to live orphan without mommy. The dead have slept 6 feet under the debris, the alive are mourning the dead on the knee. A corpse is hanging in the air without ID, disagrees being tortured to death to agree. One being executed by the count of 1, 2, 3, one being spelled the magic word of LOVE. I am confused how unfair this loving life supposed to be. A wise said, c'est la vie. Before life there is no he or she, you or me. C'est la vie, c'est juste la vie.